Hello everyone, this is my Robinhood portfolio update for today, and today was actually a good green day. So I didn't make a video last Friday, but last Friday it was kind of a red day from the day before, so we were down. I believe I think for most of the day we were red, maybe at the tail end we might have been neutral, I think, or close to being neutral. But yeah, though today was a good green day for sure. We were up almost 4.5% today, and we are getting closer and closer to well, not just that, but we are getting closer and closer to being kind of green within my all-time high, basically. Okay, so yeah, I mean, definitely down 10%, almost 11% actually, but hey, I mean, these incremental improvements, I'll take it, right? I mean, I don't complain. But yeah, it was a green day today, and let's see. Let's see what was down today. Neo? Okay, Neo was red today. Dude, AMC was like killing it today. AMC's having a great time, actually. I'm still down overall. This kind of gives you guys an idea of just like how deep I was in with AMC. But I ain't gonna paper hand this, man. Like at this point, it just doesn't make sense. So yeah, I'm gonna wait on it. AMC is gonna come back this year. Last year was rough. Last year was like the apocalypse for AMC, but I think this is their year, honestly. I think just give it enough time. This year and 2022, it's going to be their year for sure, and I can see them definitely recovering in the long term. Funware, let's see. Funware was also down today. Yeah, I'm still down overall about 10%. So, yeah, I'm definitely still paying attention to funware for sure. I think funware can be a viable. I mean, I want to think funware has a great business model. I would say it kind of reminds me of like Appian. Like you guys might know what Appian is, but they kind of like have a similar, like what funware is kind of like a little bit of a similar business model. I think where they also concentrate on kind of the mobile market and kind of like helping companies transition to the mobile platform. See, like as they call it, like platform as a service. So that's kind of like what Appian does, and Funware kind of does like similar things as well. So I kind of see it like Funware being a viable competitor. I mean, if it all works out, I can see Funware being a viable competitor to Appian in the future. So, I feel very comfortable holding Funware for the long term, at least at this moment anyway, provided their fundamentals stay the same and they keep doing the that platform, that mobile platform as a service. I can see Funware doing great in the long term. Of course, Jumia did have a great day as well. This is always encouraging to see. I'm still down quite a bit with Jumia, but I mean, this might be short-lived. We'll see what happens over the next couple weeks, but yeah, I'll take it though. Just even though I may not be adding new positions at this moment, it is always nice to see like this sea of green every once in a while with Jumia. Because yeah, it just got slaughtered like in the past couple weeks. But, kind of like with Funware and even Neo, actually. Jumia is the Amazon of Africa, and, Africa is an untapped market demographic. So, long term, I can't see Jumia being a bad buy, at least in my opinion anyway. It's obviously not financial advice, so don't copy me. Poshmark. Okay, Poshmark. Ooh. here's how I like to think about it. They are down quite a bit. In fact, they're down like, let's see, yeah, about 48%, or actually more than 50% from their IPO price from January 14th. But look, Poshmark's fundamentals have not changed at all the past couple weeks. Poshmark's potential for growth is still the same as it was on their IPO day. Okay, so in the beginning it might be tough. Like I see Poshmark and it kind of reminds me of like Spotify in its early days. So let's see, let's look at Spotify really quickly. Spotify was pretty slow in the beginning. Like obviously in the first, about like the first like half a year of its listing, it did actually do pretty good in that kind of like short-term period, but then it just like stopped and just went downhill from there, and it didn't really recover to this point for quite a bit actually. Yeah, so this was like around August 2018, and then let's see, how long did it take to get back to that mark? So yeah, so literally like almost like 1.5 years later, it finally ended up recovering. So obviously Spotify was pretty slow and kind of like growing, but look at it now though. Now it's doing great. See, it's not like 192 anymore. It's not like 106 anymore. Like look at that. Like man, you see that and it's like, wow, I wish I could have gotten at Spotify when it was like 106. But look at it now. Now it's like 285. And is that its all-time high? No, it can't be. No. Yeah, so look at that. Like over 300 for sure. And its all-time high is 387.44. So yeah, like I can kind of see Poshmark, I can't predict the future obviously, but I can kind of see Poshmark kind of exhibiting a similar behavior as Spotify did for when Spotify was in its early days. So, we only have a few months of data to work with for Poshmark, but yeah, trust me, dude. We have a lot of time though for Poshmark. Just give it time. Just give it time. That's all I'm gonna say. Oops. Let's see, what else? Oh, I am getting a dividend from Realty Income at the end of today, actually. So this dividend is going to get reinvested back into the company. So that is pretty nice to see. I am up 4% overall on my return with Realty Income, which is pretty nice. So for sure, that's kind of like a good thing. So yeah, I'm glad with Realty Income. Let's see, Lemonade. Lemonade is doing great. It was great today. Like Lemonade, what a name. What a name. Can you imagine like someone naming their company like Apple Juice or something, or Orange Juice? That's just kind of funny. Maybe like it's like a subliminal message. Maybe one of the people that started Lemonade has like a financial investment or a stake in like Tropicana or some other like lemonade company, or Minute Maid. That would be kind of interesting, kind of like a nice little trick. But yeah, Lemonade is pretty good. Yeah, definitely long term, Lemonade is great. I think they have. I've listened and heard about other people's experience actually using Lemonade to buy insurance, and most of the time it's a positive experience. Like I think they might have been able to adapt very well in a online environment where they weren't able to do, or they were able to do what a lot of others were not able to do. So Lemonade, I think, is great. Of course, Nintendo was finally up today after a while of just like going down and down. But yeah, I mean, Nintendo, again, like within a year there will probably be a Switch or a Switch successor coming down the line to compete with the ninth generation consoles. Don't forget, there's also um, the the Pokemon Diamond and Pearl remakes coming up. So yeah, like long term, Nintendo is just fine. Let's see what else. I mean, Amazon was down. Yeah, Amazon was down, but it wasn't down that much though. Like not even like 2%. Um, let's see. Whoa, Airbnb. Of course, Airbnb is up. It's like, man, I'm not sure. Like, I want to buy Airbnb, but this like Morningstar report though like kind of keeps me off from buying in on it. Like, look at that. They say their fair value is $75, but it's trading at above 200. I mean, granted, this could be just short lived, but man, when you see it like deviate that much from one company's like opinion, like I just don't know. That's a tough cookie. So it's definitely something I will keep looking at. And that's right. I wanted to add Roblox to like my watch list as well. So I'm going to do that right now. Yeah, Roblox is kind of like just fluctuating. Again, kind of like in the same area, kind of like in the same position as Poshmark. Right now, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. Probably we won't see anything crazy at the moment, but again, like long term, if their fundamentals don't change, I can see Roblox being a great thing to hold long term. So yeah, I'll definitely keep an eye out for Roblox as well. But yeah, that is kind of it for today's update. Overall, it is, I am pleased with how today was. It's definitely nice to see myself being up almost $500 on the dot. And yeah, that's about it for today. I mean, we'll see how things are tomorrow. And that is it for today. Bye, everyone.